You wouldn't put cheap wheels on a Ferrari, so why would you use an off-brand blade on a Festool saw? You're not getting the full potential out of your machine. And that's why you should be using Festool saw blades. But what makes these the best choice and why should you buy them? Festool blades are specifically designed to work in perfect harmony with their saws. That means cleaner cuts, less vibration and better dust extraction compared to generic blades. As you know, the biggest frustrations with saw blades are tear-outs and splinters, but with Festool that's not a problem. Festool blades are made with high-grade carbide tipped teeth, which means they stay sharper for longer and deliver incredibly smooth cuts, reducing the need for sanding or extra finishing. These blades are designed to cut cleanly and smoothly, even in delicate materials like plywood and veneer boards. That means less waste, fewer mistakes and more professional looking results. And with Festool's new 3-pack bundles, you can always be prepared with a fresh blade. You get multiple blades for different materials, better value than buying separately, and the quality and precision that Festool are known for. It's the smartest way to buy Festool blades. So let's sum it up. They're engineered for Festool saws, giving you perfect performance. They last longer thanks to high quality carbide teeth, and they make cleaner cuts, reducing tear out and extra finishing work. And now you get even better value with the new 3-pack sets. So if you want precision, efficiency and durability, Festool blades are the best choice. Are you ready to get your hands on with Festool saw blades? Head over to its.co.uk and let us know what you think in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and check out our other tool reviews. See you in the next one.